Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a Bengali style chicken curry recipe where chicken is cooked with flavorous Indian spices and most importantly, it goes well with both rice and roti. So let's start making. First I am going to marinate the chicken pieces. Here I have taken around 700 grams chicken cut into medium sized pieces. For marinade, first take one thinly sliced small onion in a bowl. Add 1.5 teaspoon ginger paste. Next add 1 teaspoon garlic paste. Add 2 chopped green chilies. If you wish, you can add 1 teaspoon red chili powder also. Now put 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Following it, add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder in it. Next put 2 teaspoon salt in it. Add 1 tablespoon plain curd or yogurt. Quarter teaspoon lemon juice in it. Finally add 1 tablespoon mustard oil. Mix all the spices until well combined. Now put the chicken pieces in the spice mix and coat well with it. Give the chicken pieces a quick massage with this spice mix. Cover and rest for 1 hour or longer if possible. After an hour, heat 5 tablespoon mustard oil in a kadai. Let it heat up under medium flame. Fry the parboiled potatoes in hot oil until they are golden. Keep the fried potatoes aside. In the same oil, add whole spices. 3 bay leaves, 5 cloves, 4 cardamom, 7 to 8 whole black pepper and 1 inch cinnamon. Fry it for a minute. Let the spices release their aroma. Now put 3 thinly sliced large onions in it and fry until they are lightly colored. I don't use sugar in chicken curry. That's why I am not using it. But if you wish, you can add a teaspoon of sugar and 1 chopped tomato in it at this point. When the onions are slightly colored, add 1.5 teaspoon turmeric powder and salt as per taste. Mix the spices and add 1 tablespoon water. Fry until the spices start separating oil. At this point, put the marinated chicken pieces in it. add the marinade also. Fry the chickens for a minute or two and then cover it for another 2 minutes. Repeat the process until the chicken pieces are slightly colored and the water inside it dried up. Now add 2.5 cup of hot water in it. First put the water in the bowl where you marinated the chickens and then pour it into the pan so that the remaining spice mixture also goes in the kadai. Mix. Add fried potatoes. Cover and cook until the chicken pieces and potatoes are done and the curry thickens. In between, open the lid and stir the chicken pieces so that all the pieces are cooked evenly. When the chicken pieces become soft, potatoes are done and the curry thickens, switch off the flame. Now serve it hot with rice or roti. If you love this recipe, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And to get regular updates like this, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching it.